All right, welcome to the Long Road with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
She's behind the camera today, and we are going to be, I'm going to be making my famous chocolate pecan pie. Mm-hmm. It's only famous because...
You found it.
I found it. And it's really good. All right, so...
Probably a magazine.
Yeah, I've got all the ingredients here. And by the way, I want to tell you, don't skimp on your pie crust. Buy the brand name. You'll be sorry. You'll be sorry if you don't.
If you saw our grocery haul back before Thanksgiving, we were given a Great Value brand pie crust, and also we got the Pillsbury, and we had used the Pillsbury, so this was our Great Value, and this was.
It just crumbled.
Yeah, it crumbled.
The other one crumbled, but I pieced it back together, so we should be fine.
Yeah, so that's why we highly recommend you buy if you can afford it, buy the real Pillsbury.
All right, so I've got all the ingredients here. So you're gonna take a half cup of sugar, and then a full cup of light corn syrup, which we use the Cairo brand. Hashtag not sponsored. It's going to take a minute for that to come out.
I've never seen any other brand besides Cairo, but hey, if there's something else, you know.
I think Great Value has a...
Oh, do they? Okay.
Yeah, you got
well,
a
that
brand.
might be good.
They have a brand for everything. Okay. That. And then margarine. This is a 1/4 cup of margarine melted.
Butter.
Yeah, butter. Parquet. And then 3 eggs. All right, now you're gonna mix that up real good. Also, you need a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and this is our. Ooh, if I can get it open. Okay.
Not showing you as being so tough now, is it?
Good Lord.
Oh, if y'all see all the stuff in the background over there, I don't know what, right over there. This is Christmas Day. We just finished Christmas dinner, and so now Joel was making his chocolate pecan pie as dessert for Christmas dinner, but we haven't finished cleaning up from the regular meal yet, so. You ever wonder why he is struggling? Is because if you look back on July, sometime, we'll put an info card up in the description. We made homemade vanilla extract, and so we had the extract in those mason jars, and we have yet to open either one of them.
No, I've opened them.
You've opened them?
I've opened one of them. There we go.
Okay. Anyway, he was having because we've had it sealed up in the cabinet.
It has an IQ of 0. Don't let it beat you. Oh, it's so good. Look at that yummy vanilla extract right there.
Yeah, homemade vanilla extract, and it's been sitting up in the cabinet since July,
July 13th.
July 13th. So was the day that we made it and put it up there, and so they just haven't. The seal hadn't been, opened on them before now. At least one of the jars had not had the seal open, so that may have been the one, but. Anyway, if you would like to know how to make your own vanilla extract, be sure to check out that video.
It's really easy, and it makes a lot.
Makes a lot, and it saves you money. In the long run, it's a little expensive to make it in the beginning, but in the long run, you'll save money on not having to buy vanilla extract in the store.
Okay. All right, now I've got 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips.
Oh yeah.
Those go in.
And pecan pie is good, but chocolate pecan pie is next level.
And then a cup and a half of pecan halves. And you just mix it around. Mix it and mix it and mix it some more. Make sure you get those chocolate chips evenly distributed.
It looks like soup.
All right, and then you just pour it into the bowl.
Pour it?
That's what I said. Pour it into the bowl. Into the pie plate.
There you go. Pour it. Pour it into the pie plate.
I don't know what you're talking about. I said pour it. All right, so it goes into there. Okay. Then you want to put your oven at 325, and this is going to bake for about an hour, maybe a little longer. And then we will let you see what it looks like when it comes out. See in about an hour. All right, so here's the finished product. This was about 65 minutes. And you can tell it's really golden brown there. Smells really good too. So just, cut it like a pie. You want to let it sit for a little while to kind of let it firm up a little bit. This is going to be just a tad gooey, but I'm going to go ahead and try to get this out of there.
That's right, because this Christmas Day we are probably going to be playing some online games with our son in a little while. Our sons and daughter-in-law.
Ooh. Yeah, that tore all of it.
Yeah, he didn't let it sit very long, so.
I didn't, but I'm going to eat it.
He has other plans. He's got to get his food in before his plans start. All right.
All right.
But pecan pie can be good.
It won't. Yeah, it'll set up. Especially as it cools down, it'll set, and then I usually put it in the refrigerator and it sets a little more, so it's not gonna look totally like that every time. Anyway, but that's it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell for updates from us when we post new videos, so you can get those quickly, and then comment below. Let us know what desserts you've been trying. If you try one of our recipes, let us know that too. Let us know how it turned out. So I guess that's going to do it today for the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And don't forget it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace.